Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this Luna Classic update today. So Luna Classic made a pump a few days ago, and I was expecting that, and I told you in the last update that if you look at Luna Classic breaking above here, we could actually be moving all the way up to 17,243, but unfortunately that didn't happen, and now you're down, but you're down at support. This is another support for Luna Classic. Is it time to enter or not to enter? I personally believe on a long-term basis this might still be a very good grab with Luna Classic, I guess. Now, there could be a debate where we may actually see this being your left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder coming into play for the printing. I kind of believe that if Luna Classic comes down to 8701, then it actually could be looking to make some new lows in the future. Let's hope it doesn't do that. But the thing is, there could be chances that I do see this being your left shoulder here with some curve going on. You have your head here right there, and then now you might actually consolidate, take some few stop losses, and if you start to pump back up, break that neckline, then you may be pushing up to that technical target. So all in all, in the future, if you do break the neckline, that's going to be 27% move to the upside. So that's pretty much a very quick update that I wanted to drop for the update. And one more thing is you do have an opportunity to win 15 USDT and 1 month free private entry in just 2 clicks. Click on the top right of the video to get into Discord, click on giveaway bot and drop a heart. That's pretty much everything you have to do. That's all. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.